notification bell.
Right, this video is all about how to modify your lot for a particular trade. Okay, let's take for instance now we want to trade crash 1000. Click on new order. So we notice that the lot size 0.20 cannot be wiped, meaning that 0.20 is the lowest lot size for this trade. So the broker made it like this, understand? So that means smaller accounts cannot trade this. Remember, the higher the lot size, the higher volatile the trade will become, and the higher your profit and the higher your loss. So we have discovered a new method whereby you can modify lot size. So all you need to do is to, if you want to use 0.1, you just choose 21, and if you are buying or selling, you buy. For instance, when you buy, you come back to the trade, you partial close by sliding, click on this, then you wipe off the lot size to the original lot size and click on close. You come back here, you see that you're having 0.1, so it's showing 0.1. Maybe probably in your system it's 0.20, but this is 0.1, and it behaves like 0.1, unlike the regular 20. So if I'm opening 20, you can check, you can compare the both to see how fast the boat is. Let's watch. You can see this is very fast. So that's how to partial close and modify your lot size. So if you want to create 22, all you need to do is increase the number, just as easy as that. Thank you for watching.